students, how are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. So dear students, today let we start GK Unit 1, Chapter number 1, Largest and Longest in India. Okay, so let we start. Here is an interesting quiz on the largest and the longest in India. So write the correct answers with the help of clue box. Number 1. Which is the largest state in India? Rajasthan. Number 2. Which is the longest river that flows through India? Ganga. Number 3. Which is the largest mosque in India? Jama Masjid. Number 4. Which is the largest beach in India? It is Marina Beach. Okay. Number 5. Which is the largest temple in India? Largest temple, Sri Ranganatha Swami. Sri Ranganatha Swami temple. Number 6. Which is the largest city in India? The largest city is Mumbai. Number 7. Which is the largest desert in India? It is a Thar desert. Number 8. Which state has the largest coastline? The largest coastline in Gujarat. Number 9. Which is the largest church in India? St. Cathedral. Number 10. Which is the longest railway station in India? Which is the longest railway station in India? Gorakhpur. Okay, so these are the largest and longest in India. So dear students, this chapter is here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 2. States and their capitals. Our country has 28 states and 8 union territories. So the names of the states are given below. So write the name of the capital of each state. So let we start. Number 1. Andhra Pradesh state. Capital is Andhra Pradesh की राजधानी है अमरावती. Number 2. Now number 2. Arunachal Pradesh, Italagar. Number 3. Assam, Dispur. And Bihar, Patna. Number 5. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. गोवा, गोवा की है पणजी। नंबर 7 गुजरात, गांधीनगर। नंबर 8 हरियाणा, चंडीगढ़। हिमाचल प्रदेश, शिमला। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 झारखंड, रांची। झारखंड की कैपिटल है रांची। नंबर 11 कर्नाटका, बेंगलुरु। नंबर 12 केरला की है तिरुवनंतपुरम। तिरुवनंतपुरम। नंबर 13 मध्य प्रदेश भोपाल। नंबर 14 महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई। नंबर 15 मणिपुर की है इम्फाल। नंबर 16 मेघालय, शिलोंग। नंबर 17 मिजोरम, आइजवाल। नंबर 18 नागालैंड, कोहिमा। नंबर 19 ओडिशा, भुवनेश्वर। ट्वेंटी पंजाब, चंडीगढ़। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 राजस्थान, जयपुर। 22 सिक्किम, गैंगटोक। 23 तमिलनाडु, चेन्नई। 24 तेलंगाना, हैदराबाद। 25 त्रिपुरा की है अगरतला। 26 उत्तर प्रदेश, लखनऊ। 27 उत्तराखंड, देहरादून। 28 वेस्ट बंगाल, कोलकाता। Okay, so students, these are the states and these are their capitals. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is ancient Indian, यानी कि प्राचीन भारत. Here are pictures and descriptions of some great warriors and rulers who made history. Okay, so identify them with the help of the clue box. 1. So dash मतलब जो भी राजा है, he was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty. He played a crucial role in making Buddhist and world religion. Ashoka. So his name is Ashok. So Ashoka was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty, and he played a crucial role in making Buddhism a world religion. Number 2 is Tipu Sultan. So Tipu Sultan was the Indian ruler whom the British feared the most. He is popularly known as the Tiger of Mysore. Number 3, Akbar. He is Akbar. So the Akbar became the ruler at the very young age of 30. So he founded a new religion, Din-i-Ilahi. Number 4, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the queen of the state of Jhansi. She was the legend of the Great Revolt of 1857. Number 5, who is it? Chhatrapati Shivaji. Shivaji. Shivaji was the founder of the Maratha Empire. He was crowned as Chhatrapati of the Maratha Kingdom in 1674. So these are the ancient Indian kings. And so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 4. So the chapter number 4 is beautiful culture in India. So students, India is a unique country, not only because of varieties within it, but also because of the unique culture, religions, religious practices, etc. So some of them are given below. Identify them using the clue box. Number 1, the largest camel fair in the world held in Rajasthan. So this is पुष्कर मेला, है ना? So ये है राजस्थान में लगता है पुष्कर मेला. Number 2, the main festival of Odisha, in which the idol of Lord Jagannath is placed in a beautiful decorated chariot. So this is Rath Yatra. Number 3, held at Prayag, Nasik, Ujjain and Haridwar. So this is Kumbh Mela. Number 4, this centuries old festival is marked by a grand procession of decorated elephants. So led by the head of the royal family. It is Mysore Dasara. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 5. This is our monuments. Okay, so chapter number 5 is our monuments. यानी कि हमारे जो है कुछ स्मारक यहाँ पे दिए गए. So first of all, look at the given pictures below and write their names. Number 1, it is India Gate. Number 2, Hawa Mahal in Jaipur. Number 3, this is Gateway of India. Number 4. This is Jain temple in Ranakpur. Jain temple. Number 5. ये है गोल गुम्बज. It is गोल गुम्बज. Number 6. Jama Masjid. Question number 2. So tick right the correct option. Number 1. The Hawa Mahal is a famous place in Jaipur. The most famous Jain temple is the Dilwara temple, which is located in Sarnath. This beautiful mosque was built by Shah Jahan and is located in Delhi. It is known as Jama Masjid. Number 4. To see the Gateway of India, we have to go to Mumbai. 5. This is the second largest dome in the world. It is in Bijapur, Karnataka. It is called the Gol Gumbaz. So these are all monuments. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 6. So the chapter number 6 is Great Ministers of India. यानी कि भारत के महान मंत्री. Dear students, every place has a person who is in charge of that place. So this means that he or she has to look after the place and all the people living there. So our Prime Minister is in charge of our country. So these are the Prime Minister and we have to write their name in this column. So let me start. Number 1, he is Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Number 2, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Number 3, Indira Gandhi. Number 4, Chaudhary Charan Singh. Number 4, Morarji Desai. Number 4. Number 5, Chaudhary Charan Singh. Number 6, Rajiv Gandhi. Number 7 is VP Singh. Okay, next, number 8 is Chandrasekhar. Number 9, ये है जो है PV नरसिम्हा राव. Number 10, HD Devgoda. Number 11, I.K. Gujral. Number 12, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Number 13, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Number 14, Narendra Modi. So these all are Prime Minister 1 to 40. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 is forts of India, यानी भारत के जो किले हैं उनके बारे में यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है. So dear students, a fort is a building constructed to defend an area against attack. India is famous for its forts all over the world. So some forts are given below. So write the name of the state where each of them is located. Number 1. This is Gwalior Fort. So this is in where is Madhya Pradesh. Gwalior Fort in Madhya Pradesh. Number 2, it is Sinagarh. Sinagarh it is in Maharashtra. Number 3, Amer Fort. Amer Fort in Rajasthan. Number 4, Fatehpur Sikri in Uttar Pradesh. Fatehpur Sikri Uttar Pradesh में है. Number 5, Bijapur Fort. It is situated in Karnataka. Number 6, Amer Palakkad Fort. ये है केरला में. It is in Kerala. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8. So the chapter number 8 is Festivals of India, means Bharat ke Tyohar. Fill in the blanks with the names of these popular festivals in India. Choose your answers with the help of pictures. 1. So this festival is also known as the Festival of Lights, Diwali. Number 2, this spectacular 11-day festival honors the birth of the beloved Hindu elephant-headed god, Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi. Number 3, this festival is commonly referred as the Festival of Colors, Holi. Number 4, the chariot festival in Puri is called Rath Yatra. Number 5, the festival which marks the end of Ramzan and Ramadan also. So it's Eid, Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr. Number 6, the popular harvest festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal. Question number 7, the traditional harvest festival of Kerala is Onam. Number 8, the harvest festival of Punjab is Baisakhi. Number 9, a very important festival of the Jain is Mahavir Jayanti. Number 10, a very important Buddhist festival is Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. So the chapter number 9 is Superlatives of India. Identify the given superlatives of India, name them using the clue box. So let we start. Number 1. Number 1 is the highest mountain peak. It is Kanchenjunga. Number 2, the longest dam. It is Hirakud Dam. Number 3, the largest freshwater lake. ये है the largest freshwater lake, Wooler Lake. Number 4, the longest river, Ganga. Number 5, the biggest stadium. The biggest stadium is Yuba Bharati. Number 6, the largest desert, Thar Desert in Rajasthan. Okay, so dear students, the highest mountain peak is Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters in Himalayas. The longest dam, Hirakud Dam in Odisha. The largest freshwater lake, Wooler Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. The longest river, Ganga in Haridwar. The biggest stadium, Yuba Bharati in Kolkata. And the largest desert, Thar in Rajasthan. Okay, is in Rajasthan. So these are the superlatives of India. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 10. So the chapter number 10 is World Famous Indians. So these are some of the Indian laureates who have excelled in their respective fields. So write down their names, use the clue box. Let we start. Number 1, he is a musician, है ना? A.R. Rahman. Number 2, cricket. Cricketer है Sachin Tendulkar. Number 3, he is an actor, Amitabh Bachchan. Number 4, science and technology. He's a scientist. Her nickname is Missile Man. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 5, he's a businessman. Dhirubhai Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani. She's a singer. Lata Mangeshkar. Number 7, he's an artist. Amar Hussain. Number 8, instrumental musics. He's the most famous tabla wadak, Ustad Zakir Hussain. Number 9, he's a politician. Okay, he's our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Narendra Damodar Das, both. Okay, so my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 11. So chapter number 11 is the first Indians. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given pictures. ठीक है, पिक्चर की हेल्प से हमें ये फिल करना है कि ये कौन कौन है. Okay, so let we start. 1. Dash was the first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number 2, first Prime Minister of India. Okay, जवाहरलाल नेहरू. ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे शॉर्ट में JN नेहरू, यानी कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू, है ना, was the first Prime Minister of India. Question number 3. Dash was the first woman Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. She. Okay. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Number 4, Dash was the first Indian scientist to get the Nobel Prize. Number 4, C.V. Raman. Okay, C.V. Raman. C. Venkat Raman was the first Indian scientist to get the Nobel Prize. Number 5, Ravindranath Tagore. है ना? So Ravindranath Tagore was the first Nobel Prize winner of India. Number 6, going to space. So Rakesh Sharma. Answer number 6 is Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space. Number 7 was the first woman president of India. So who is Pratibha Patil? Where is she? She's there. Pratibha Patil was the first woman president of India. Number 8. Dash was the first Indian woman astronaut, Kalpana Chawla. Was the first Indian woman astronaut. Question number 9. Was the first Indian woman to win a medal in the Olympics. Now, Karnam Malleshwari. Karnam Malleshwari was the first Indian woman to win a medal in the Olympics. Number 10. Dash was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal. ठीक है ना, Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest. Number 11. Dash was the first woman governor of an Indian state. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was the first woman governor of an Indian state. Number 12. Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was the first woman IPS officer. So my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapter of this unit. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.